Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a powerful website that lets you convert your files to any format. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Open your browser and search for this website. Click on the first result. This website lets you convert files to any format. Upload your file. Select the format that you want. Click on Convert. After the conversion, click the download button to save the file to your computer. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.